Hey everyone! So I got two more packages from Natural Republic today. This one you guys have probably already seen if you have watched my previous Natural Republic unboxing video. This one's the Soothing Aloe Gel from Natural Republic. This gel is surely amazing because it feels like water. It's so lightweight and you can use this on your face or anywhere on your body. And this seller gave me some free samples. I love Korean merchandise, especially those facial creams and the BB creams. Okay, this one's also from Natural Republic. It's a new Aqua Max combination water cream. So this one's for combination skin because I have combination skin, but they also have products for dry skin and oily skin. And I'll show you guys what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. So this one's more like a cream than a gel, and it also comes with this tiny spoon. And then this seller gave me also a free sample. And then another little note. Yep, so that's it. And I got both of these on eBay. If you guys would like the link, feel free to email me and I can send you the link to where I got these. Alright, bye guys. Support EXO, support Natural Republic. Bye guys.